Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Look at the bottom left of the home screen to verify safe mode presence. If you see safe mode, third-party apps are temporarily disabled. Check your battery level and ensure it is above 5% before restarting or performing a reset. Note the time and any unsaved work because restarting will close apps. If you cannot find the safe mode label, skip to the restart procedure. Otherwise, proceed with the simple restart method described next. Press and hold the power button for approximately 3 seconds to bring up power options. Tap Restart on the menu and then confirm if prompted by the phone. Allow up to 2 minutes for the Vivo device to fully reboot back into normal mode. After reboot completes, look at the bottom left of your screen to confirm safe mode is gone. If the label still appears, do a full shutdown and power on next. Follow the next slide for additional troubleshooting if needed. If a normal restart does not remove safe mode, power off the phone completely first. Wait 10 seconds with the device off, then press power to boot normally and check again. If safe mode still appears, open Settings, go to Apps, and uninstall any recently installed or suspicious apps one at a time. Back up important data, including photos and contacts, before performing a factory reset. If problems persist after a reset, contact Vivo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.